In the ever-evolving tech industry, one role that's gaining significant prominence is that of the full-stack developer. These tech wizards are becoming increasingly important as they have the expertise to weave magic in multiple programming languages like Java and Python. Their skills allow them to build server-side applications, develop databases, and design web architectures, creating a seamless integration of back-end and front-end technologies. This integration is crucial in today's digital age, where providing exceptional user experiences is a non-negotiable priority for companies. The role of full-stack developers extends beyond coding and into the realm of problem-solving, making them invaluable assets in the tech industry. As big tech companies continue to recognize their value, they're actively seeking out these professionals to join their ranks. The career opportunities for full-stack developers are vast and promising, making it a perfect time to step into this exciting field. So, what does being a full-stack developer entail? Well, it's all about versatility and a deep understanding of every layer involved in the development process. To start with, let's break down the term full stack. It's a term that refers to the three core layers of application development. First up, we have the presentation layer, which is also known as the front end. This is the layer users interact with. It's essentially the face of your application. It's all about designing a user-friendly interface and ensuring a smooth user experience. As a full-stack developer, you should be proficient in tools like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. These are the building blocks of the web, allowing you to create visually appealing and interactive websites. Moving on, we have the business logic layer or the backend. This is where the magic happens. It's the engine of your application, processing data, applying logic, and ensuring everything runs smoothly behind the scenes. Understanding server-side languages like Java and Python is crucial here. These languages allow you to build robust, secure, and efficient server-side applications. Finally, we have the database layer. This is where data is stored, retrieved, and managed. It's the memory of your application, if you will. As a full-stack developer, you should be familiar with various database technologies and understand how to interact with them to efficiently store and retrieve data. But remember, being a full-stack developer isn't just about knowing a bit of everything. It's about being able to effectively integrate these layers to create a seamless and functional application. It's about understanding the big picture and how each piece fits into it. Mastering these tools and languages will equip you to handle the complexities of full-stack development. But remember, it's a continuous learning journey, and there's always something new to explore in the world of full-stack development. Now let's delve into some strategies to ace your full-stack developer interview. First and foremost, understanding the job description is crucial. As a full-stack developer, you'll be expected to handle both front-end and back-end technologies. This involves expertise in programming languages such as Java and Python, developing server-side applications, building databases, and designing web architectures. So make sure you're well-versed in these areas and align your skills with the requirements outlined in the job description. Next, research the company you're applying to. Knowing the company's tech stack, the projects they've undertaken, and their work culture can give you a significant edge. It shows your interest and commitment, and it'll also help you tailor your responses during the interview. Now, onto the interview itself. Full-stack developer interviews typically involve both technical and behavioral questions. For technical questions, you might be asked about tools like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Java, and Python, or concepts like pair programming, cross-origin resource sharing, inversion of control, and continuous integration. Be ready to demonstrate your knowledge in these areas. Behavioral questions, on the other hand, are designed to understand how you work in a team, handle challenges, and manage your time. Here, your problem-solving skills and ability to work under pressure will be under the spotlight. So be prepared with examples that illustrate these skills. Another key aspect of the interview is showcasing your relevant projects. These projects serve as concrete evidence of your skills and experience. Be ready to discuss the technologies you used, the problems you solved, and the results you achieved. Lastly, remember that practice makes perfect. Consider doing mock interviews or practicing your answers to common full-stack developer interview questions. This will help you articulate your thoughts clearly and confidently during the actual interview. Remember, preparation is key to success in any interview. Let's now explore some common full-stack developer interview questions and how best to answer them. So you're sitting in the interview room, the interviewer looks at you and asks, "What's the difference between Java and Python?" You take a deep breath and answer, "Java and Python are both powerful programming languages, but they have some key differences. Java is a statically typed language which needs explicit declaration of variable types, while Python is a dynamically typed and doesn't require explicit declaration. Python also emphasizes readability with its use of indentation for code blocks, while Java uses braces." The interviewer nods and moves on to the next question. "Can you explain the concept of pair programming?" You respond, "Certainly. Pair programming is a technique where two programmers share a single workstation. One, the driver, writes the code while the other, the observer or navigator, reviews each line of code as it's typed in. This encourages a more efficient and cleaner code, reduces bugs, and promotes knowledge sharing." The interviewer, intrigued, then asks, "What about inversion of control and dependency injection?" You answer, "Inversion of control, or IOC, is a design principle where the flow of control is inverted compared to traditional procedural programming. Instead of a high-level module controlling the flow, IOC inverts the flow of control so that lower-level modules are given control." Dependency injection, on the other hand, is a technique to implement IOC where dependencies are passed in or injected rather than created by the components. This helps in decoupling components and layers in a system. Next, the interviewer may ask about continuous integration. You could answer, "Continuous integration, or CI, is a development practice that involves integrating code into a shared repository frequently, ideally several times a day. Each integration can then be verified by an automated build and automated tests. The goal is to detect integration issues as quickly as possible and ensure that the software is always in a state that can be released." The interviewer might then ask about multi-threading. You could respond, "Multi-threading is a technique that allows for concurrent execution of two or more parts of a program, or threads, to make maximum use of the CPU. Each thread runs independently of the others. If implemented correctly, multi-threading can improve the performance of complex applications." Finally, the interviewer could ask about website optimization. You could say, "Website optimization is a set of techniques used to improve the performance, speed, and usability of a website. This can include reducing the size of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files, optimizing images, leveraging browser caching, and reducing server response time." Understanding these concepts and being able to articulate them clearly is crucial for your interview. Remember, the key to a successful interview is preparation and practice. So, keep honing your skills, revising your concepts, and practicing your responses. Good luck. Now you're equipped with some valuable insights to help you ace your full-stack developer interview. We've covered a lot of ground today, diving deep into the world of full-stack development. We've explored the rising demand for full-stack developers and the integral role they play in today's tech industry. We've also dissected the anatomy of this complex field, understanding its three main layers: the presentation layer, the business logic layer, and the database layer. We've also discussed some essential tools that every full-stack developer should be familiar with, such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Java, and Python. We've shed light on some crucial concepts like pair programming, cross-origin resource sharing, inversion of control, and continuous integration. We've walked you through the differences between GraphQL and traditional APIs and the importance of website optimization. To help you prepare for your full-stack developer interview, we've shared some common interview questions and provided you with insightful answers. We've also suggested some effective strategies for ensuring code quality and maintainability in your projects. But remember, this is just the beginning. There's a wealth of knowledge out there waiting for you to discover. So continue to expand your skills and knowledge. Practice answering these and other common interview questions. Conduct further research on full-stack development trends and technologies. Stay curious, stay focused, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Best of luck with your full-stack developer journey.